If you spend hours on your computer every day, this mouse might just change the way you work. The Logitech MX Master 3S is not just a mouse, it's a precision tool designed for creators, coders, and anyone who value comfort, speed, and control. Inside the box, you will find the MX Master 3S mouse itself, a USB-C charging cable, the Logitech Bolt receiver, and a small user manual. The packaging is simple and premium, nothing flashy, but everything feels well thought out. The mouse has a matte finish with soft touch material, sculpted perfectly for your hands. You will instantly notice that it's built for long hours of use without fatigue. The shape fits naturally under your palm with a thumb rest and perfectly placed buttons. You'll get the main left and right buttons, a clickable scroll wheel, a side scroll wheel, a gesture button, and 2 side buttons. Every button feels tactile and responsive, but the real star here is the MagSpeed electromagnetic scroll wheel. It can scroll through 1000 lines per second. Wow. And it's almost silent. You can switch between reset and free spin modes automatically. The MX Master 3S connects either through Bluetooth or the included Logi Bolt receiver. It can pair with up to 3 devices at once, and you can switch between them just by pressing the button at the bottom. It works seamlessly across Windows, macOS, Linux, and even iPads. Logitech upgraded this version with the 8000 dpi sensor, meaning it tracks smoothly on virtually any surface, even glass. The clicks are 90% quieter than the previous generation, making it perfect for quiet offices or late night editing. And with up to 70 days of battery life on a single charge, you will rarely think about plugging it in. Plus, just 1 minute of charging gives you about 3 hours of use. Now let's talk customization. You can configure every button on the MX Master 3S using the Logi Options Plus app. After installing it from Logitech website, the app detects your mouse automatically. You can assign different actions to each button like copy, paste, switch desktop, or even custom shortcuts for specific apps like Photoshop, Chrome, or Premiere Pro. It even lets you adjust DPI sensitivity, control speed, and gesture. But if you're using macOS and want something lighter, you can try Linear Mouse, a free alternative. It gives you smooth scrolling and basic button mapping without needing to create a Logitech account. The Logitech MX Master 3S isn't just a premium mouse, it's a productivity powerhouse. If you edit videos, design, or code, you will immediately feel the difference in precision and comfort. It's one of those rare gadgets that actually make everything work more enjoyable. If you want to buy, the link is in the description, and in China it's only 500 RMB, which is around 80 to 90 US dollars. So if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. Would you upgrade your MX Master 3S, or are you happy with your current mouse?